Hello guys and girls of YouTube, this is Random Pack Opener and today we'll be opening one pack of Topps Match Attax, 9 cards per pack, and yeah, let's get right into it. So leave down below how you guys all are doing. This code is mine for Danny drink water, but So we've got a defender from Hull. Oh, out of focus. There we go. Defender from Hull, and he is Andrew Robertson. Yeah. Forward from I forgot. He's Lewis Graben. And so we got a defender from Watford. He is Miguel Britos. 3-star. We got a midfielder from West Brom. He is Claudio Jacob. 3-star. That looks quite nice on the picture though. So we got the defender from Stoke. Well, he's Geoff Cameron. 3-star. Where are all the three? Not 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars. We got Ruben Loftus-Cheek and midfielder from Chelsea. We got a midfielder from Manchester United. Any guesses? Is Henrik Mkhitaryan. Yeah, I've packed him already before. But still 5-star. We've got a midfielder from Arsenal. He is Santi Cazorla. 4-star and pretty nice though. And the final card, well, from Liverpool. It's badge. It's badge, shiny badge, but okay. This has been it. We opened a pack of Match Attax, and yeah, we got a nice shiny Liverpool badge. So bye. Have fun with your day and just keep on opening those packs. Bye.